Okay, we're going to talk about podocytes and answer the questions, what are they and what do they look like and what is their role in glomerular filtration? Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Morton and I'm the noted anatomist. First, here is a renal corpuscle, and in blue there's Bowman's capsule. That's simple squamous epithelium, and it's often called the parietal layer of Bowman's capsule. Then there is Bowman's space, or the urinary space, that fills with filtrate. There in green are the podocytes. They're specialized epithelial cells that line the outer surface of the glomerulus, or the glomeruli in plural. That's the visceral layer of Bowman's capsule. And podocytes, as their name podo means foot cells, they have foot processes that envelop the glomerular capillaries. There is one cell body of a podocyte with its foot processes, and there's the filtration slits between interdigitating foot processes. And there we can see the podocytes envelop the glomerular capillaries with their foot processes. That's a lot of foot processes I just said. Are you impressed? I didn't flip up on my words too much. Now, they're the spaces between the foot processes are called filtration slits. Here are two podocytes with the foot processes on either side, and we do this. We put them together, and there are the filtration slits. And now what we're going to do is put the glomerular capillary inside, where you can see the podocytes wrap around the glomerular capillary. This emoji of a podocyte, there's the cell body and there's the foot processes. And nephrologists frequently use the octopus emoji to represent the podocytes because they have these long tentacle-like projections and they have that are like the foot processes. Here's another illustration that shows a podocyte with its cell body, and there's a primary foot process with a secondary foot process, and there's a pedicle from one secondary foot process from one podocyte. And there's the pedicle from an adjacent podocyte. And there's the filtration slit in between those pedicles. Now, pathologists often use this in describing these in different disease processes. I'll just call them foot processes from now on. In this illustration, we see the glomerulus in red on the left, and there's Bowman's space on the right. There's two podocyte foot processes. Now, the space in between is called a filtration slit, and they're very narrow. 20 to 30 nanometers is how big that is. Now, between these podocyte foot processes are transmembrane proteins. And these transmembrane proteins, like nephrin, there's a number of them, but here's a major one, nephrin. Its job is to repel negatively charged plasma proteins like albumin. The podocytes form one of three layers of our glomerular filtration barrier. There's the fenestrated endothelium on the luminal side of the glomerular capillary. Then there's a shared glomerular basement membrane that is created by both the endothelium and our podocytes. And that slit diaphragm is the final checkpoint of glomerular filtration, and one of its big functions is to prevent albumin from entering the filtrate. Now, what do podocytes look like under imaging? Well, under light microscopy, there's the Bowman's capsule, and there's Bowman's space, and then here's a bunch of nuclei of cells. And what types of cells are they? Well, they could be podocytes or glomerular endothelium or mesangial cells. And because in light microscopy, it's the magnification is not high enough, we don't know what they are. So those purple dots could be any one of those three types of cells. Now, under scanning electron microscopy, SEM, this is at 5,000 magnification. There's a cell body of a podocyte, and there are those foot processes coming off, and there are the filtration. There's one of the filtration slits that enables for filtering of plasma. Here's a transmission electron microscope, TEM. There's the cell body of a podocyte with its nucleus. And then here, we're going to take this element of this podocyte and blow it up over here. The MP stands for a major process from the podocyte, which then gives rise to these foot processes, FP. And the SD is the slit diaphragm. That's the filtration slit. That's what's containing the nephron. And here's the glomerular basement membrane, and there's the fenestrated endothelium. Minimal change disease is a condition where there's podocyte effacement, or a loss of the podocyte foot processes. It's called minimal change disease because under a light microscopy, you can't really see any difference. But when you look under EM, here's what healthy podocyte foot processes should look like. But this is what they look like when you have podocyte injury with podocyte effacement in minimal change disease. And what happens is it leads to proteinuria, loss of albumin in urine. This reduces oncotic pressure in systemic capillaries. You reduce the sucking pressure, keeping fluid inside the capillary, and it can present with widespread edema. So here, and it's often seen in children. And so here's a picture, and you see that periorbital edema, which is often how it may present. So this is a classic presentation of a nephrotic syndrome. And that, my friends, is podocytes in a nutshell.